Welcome you back again to another video lecture on Python programming, and here we go ahead and create a simple project known as bubble sorting. Bubble sorting is a type of sorting an array that helps us to rearrange the elements of an array in an orderly manner. Let's go ahead and create different arrays elements, and let's go ahead and say from random. So go ahead and import random, import radiant, and then we go ahead and this is radiant and not radiant. Alright, so let's go ahead and say that x is equal to 20 elements, and let y be equal to empty element array, and using the for loop, go ahead and say for i in range of 20, y in range of 20, go ahead and say that y dot append. So y dot append, and radiant of 1 to 20. Okay, now let's go ahead and print out. Go ahead and print out y, so that will help us to print out this is just the array of the element. If you go ahead and run it, it just generates only the arrays of the element, and now we need to arrange this. You can see the elements right here. Now let's go ahead and arrange that. So to arrange that, you go ahead and use a for loop and say for I in range, and let that be in range of x, and then we go ahead and say for j in range, and let that be in range of x minus I minus y. Alright, so we go ahead and say, using an if statement, so if x are of j element, if x of j element is greater than, so if y, not a, if y of j element is greater than y of j element plus 1, that is plus 1. Go ahead and remove this from here, and then we go ahead and say that z is equal to, let z be equal to y of j element, and let y of j element be equal to y of j element plus 1. Okay, and y of j element plus 1 is going to be equal to z. Now we go ahead and print y, and that is the rearranged element of which have been bubble sorted is arranged. You can see that, see how it moves, and that is how it is, starting from the lowest to the highest. And here you can see that it is scattered right here, and if you run this code again, check it out, and that is how it is. It went ahead and sorted the elements, and this is how we bubble sort elements in Python. So go ahead and put this code down on your system. The entire code is just ready before you. Put it down, and if you have any question, please go ahead and use the question and the answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.